Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Montgomery County in central Maryland, southeastern Loudoun County in northern Virginia, the western city of Fairfax in northern Virginia, northwestern Fairfax County in northern Virginia until 6:45 p.m. At 6:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Leesburg, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, for those in the direct path of a tornado touchdown, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, siding, and windows may occur. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Lansdowne around 6:20 p.m. Broadlands and Brambleton around 6:25 p.m. Arco around 6:30 p.m. Ashburn and Countryside around 6:35 p.m. Dulles International Airport around 6:40 p.m. Reston, Herndon, Lowe's Island, Oakton, Sterling, Chantilly, and Great Falls around 6:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Congressional Manor, Belmont, Bellevue, Sterling Park, Bradley Farms, Cabin John, and Fairfax Station. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Severe thunderstorm watch number 88 remains